Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I still think this is most likely a wave 5. Now, looking at all yen pairs on this one, it definitely does look like a wave 5, but a lot of the yen pairs look like the uptrend is not over. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did go up and take out that wave 5 high and then maybe even go a lot higher than that. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this move down was very strong, but it never broke any structure. I think there's a good chance this is just going to be a correction, and I think there's a good chance that it may just keep on trending up. But for now, I would be looking at this as either an A or a 1, this is either a B or a 2, and then potentially it could go down for a 3, or it could go down for a C, bounce off a Fibonacci level, which we should better recognize, and continue the uptrend from there. So going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can definitely see a downtrend right here. I mean, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It still looks like this move up is an A, B, and possibly a wave C. So if we get like a nice Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure, that was what would convince me that the wave C is over. But based on the US dollar, I actually think that this is potentially going to go up to maybe a higher level, like the 61.8, before it actually does end the wave C, if it really is even a wave C, and ends up continuing the downtrend. Like I said, if it even is a wave C, I mean, it could just keep on going up. So we should be looking for longs, at least until we get some sort of a break of structure to the downside. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we did have a pretty impulsive down. We did have a little bit of a break, but so far it's not kind of a rejection. I still feel like the dollar needs to go up, so I'm definitely still looking for longs. If I see some sort of a engulfing impulsive break of structure to the upside, I would definitely take that as a long until proven that this move up is actually complete. I am definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. I would expect this to go up. Maybe it's going to be a correction to the move down, like this is an A, this is a B, and then it goes down again for a wave C. I mean, that probably would make the most sense. But I mean, short term, I do think that we need to go up at least a little bit before we even do go down again. And who knows, maybe this wave B is actually not a wave B and it just keeps on trending up. And if we're looking for longs and it just keeps on trending up, then really that shouldn't be an issue. If anything, we should make more money than we would if it actually was a wave B and it ended up turning back down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.